RoseTinted. So I'm actually filming this after I filmed the rest of the video. If you can hear that noise, I do apologise. Spuggy's currently clearing the attic. But this is the second instalment in our moving vlogs, and this time I was packing up the kids' room, so Nicholas and Edmund's stuff, their wardrobes, their toys, their clothes, and all of the crap in between. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe down below and also click the bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by picking out 8 outfits for Nicholas and 8 outfits for Edmund that they can wear over the next week or so, and that reduces the amount of washing that we have and the amount of choice, which is a time saver. So I'm gonna crack on with that, and then we'll move on to the rest of their room at some stage. So for Edmund's stuff, I've got all of his nappies. I've got like this little 4 set of plastic drawers. I've got nappies that we'll probably use between now and then in this drawer I have put together a bunch of outfits. So in each one there is the outfit and then a muslin and then a bib wrapped around it, and I've done this with everything. So like this outfit has a muslin, the jumper, the vest and the trousers, and then it's been wrapped together with the bib, and then that way whenever we go to get him dressed it's just a case of grabbing one of these piles. And he has some clothes, so he's got these, he's then got some pseudocreme, and then in this one he's got some baby lotion, his comforter, his little grooming kit, and then he's got a little pram suit, some extra muslins, another outfit there, another outfit at the back here, and then he's got his little rattle socks. He really likes these, so that keeps him entertained from time to time. So I've got everything now that I need for Edmund, and I have started doing the same with Nicholas. So a pair of socks, a top, a vest and a pair of trousers for each ones, and then I've looked out his hat and his mittens because obviously he'll need that with every outfit. And then I've got a pile of pyjamas for him as well. So I'm now about to make sure that I've got everything I need in the changing bag between now and then I'll move on to the rest of the room. Different day, purely because packing with 2 children is proving quite difficult. So we did the obvious, we got rid of them for the weekend, which is fine. So the kids are gone, which means I can get the rest of Nicholas's room packed up, and obviously Edmund's stuff is currently in this room as well. So the wine has made a comeback, the time lapses are going to be rolled, and we just need to get this done. So my plan is a box for Nicholas, a box for Edmund, and then a box for like joint stuff. I don't have anything else to say, so let's crack on. Okay, so it doesn't look like I've done a lot, but I have packed up all of Nicholas's clothes and I've taken everything down off of his gallery wall. So I now have a pile of organisation. I have a pile of room decor, and then this as well, which is a beautiful cross stitch that our friend Elizabeth did for Nicholas. And then I have this stuff, which is all Teddy stuff to sort. This is stuff for the bin. And then this is all like toys and stuff that he plays with at the moment. So I need to try and whittle down which ones of these he can keep for now and which ones I need to take away. So that is my next step, is to box up this, bag up this, and then start on the other side of the wardrobe, which is Edmund's.
He's gone in the living room. Thanks.
Has he actually?
Has he actually?
Hey, there he goes.
I don't want it in there. I'm working in there.
Oh, well, this is not my room, so I'm not fussed. Bye. So I've now put all of the storage solutions in there along with extra bedding for Nicholas, and then I've put all of the hangers and like extras in here, and then all of Edmund's clothes are in here, which means his wardrobe is now empty too. This basket's going to be the washing basket in the kids' room. That stuff I need to sort through. So now my main thing is putting these in a refuse sack, taking this through to the living room, that kind of thing. We'll take this down tomorrow. We're painting over this the day after. All of this furniture is coming with us, so that'll be like lastminute.com. Those are all of Nicholas's outfits between now and moving, and I've still got to pack away all of this stuff and actually tidy his room. Apart from that, I'm very hungry. I've gotten through the best part of a bottle of wine and I'm ready to just be finished. So I'm gonna crack on with this and hopefully get it done and dusted, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So everything is now done. His room is tidy for what he needs. So his bed, his toys that he plays with, all of these, and then I've emptied this out, but this will be going to my mum and stepdad's. And then both wardrobes are empty, apart from their Christmas presents that still need to be put away, and this box of noodles clothes, but everything else is completely empty. So now I have to bin all of this crap, and then I can go to bed. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to press that subscribe button down below, and also press the bell notification button so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye guys.